So it's work day weekend, and when Cassie's out here, I like to harvest wild stuff to see what it is and how you can use it. And this is Cherokee mint. It has the purple blossoms on it like that, and the leaves look like this, and it tastes like mint. You can eat it, you can put it in salads, you can put it in drinks, just like anything. Cherokee mint is good for if you have mouth ulcers. It's going to be your best friend. You can boil it in a tea and use it for that, and it's really good for that. It's good for removing plaque from your teeth and your oral cavity. It's good for stomach ulcers. It's an anti-inflammatory, and it helps with fevers and chills as well. You can make it as a paste. It's good for wounds. So that's Cherokee mint. We got some more other stuff that we're going to harvest this weekend before we go home. But we're going to harvest quite a bit of this because it's pretty good. So this is something that people take advantage of too that grows wild, is wax myrtle. And wax myrtle is a good herb for bacterial infection, fever, chills, and skin irritations. But you can also season with it. It smells strong, but you can use it as a substitute. Native Americans use it like what we would use bay leaves for. It kind of smells like a bay leaf. And that's wax myrtle. And it's a bush or a tree, shrub. Okay, so the coolest thing out here is this. This is called orange grass. This is wild orange grass. It's got a really big word name for it, but I will butcher the crap out of it just like I do pharmacology words. So, to me, this is orange grass. To you, it'd be orange grass. It is St. John's wort. And it's good for depression, anxiety, stress. That's what this is a common plant. So you can use it as a tea, and that's what it's good for. Grows like this, looks like this, and this is St. John's wort or orange grass. And that's what it's good for. I like taking this at night with some hibiscus and just calm down. This lowers blood pressure as well. Wild orange grass. And it grows, it likes the sun, and it likes to grow in the open. And so, of course, I'm going to harvest mullein leaf. It's good for the upper respiratory, cough, headaches, just like mullein flower. It's soft, wild mullein leaf.